Hello everyone, welcome to this 12th lecture of Introduction to Power Quality and Facts. So, in this lecture, we will be discussing harmonics. Students, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update and notification of my lecture. The contents are which we are going to discuss in this slide. Harmonics effect on various components. These are transformers, AC motors, capacitor, cable, protective protection devices, energy metering, communication lines. Transformer. Harmonics in transformer cause an increase the iron and copper loss. We know that voltage distortion increases losses due to hysteresis and eddy current and causes over stressing of the insulation material used. The primary effect of power line harmonics in transformer is thus the additional heat generated. Other problems include possible resonance between the transformer inductance and the system capacitance, thermal fatigue due to temperature cycling, and possible core vibration. Motor and generator. Harmonic voltage and current cause increased heating in rotating machine due to additional iron and copper losses at harmonic frequencies. These lower the this lower the machine's efficiency and affect the torque developed. The flow of harmonics current in the motor includes current flow in the rotor. This result in rotor heating and pulsating or reduced torque. But rotor heating reduces the efficiency and life of the machinery, whereas pulsating or reduced torque result in mechanical oscillations, causing shaft fatigue and increased aging of mechanical part. Third, thyristor devices. AC variable AC variable frequency drive with thyristor convert when operated at slow speed generally result in poor power factor. Power cable, normal level of harmonic current cause heating in cable. However, cables involved under system resonance condition may be subjected to voltage stress and corona, which can lead to insulation failure. Second, metering equipment. In general, harmonics flowing in induction type metering equipment will generate additional coupling path, thereby increasing the speed of the disk and hence an apparent increases of cost. Third, switchgear and relay. Harmonics current increases heating and losses in switchgear, thereby lowering its normal current capacity and shortening the life due to voltage stress. Fuse require hydrating due to the heat generated by harmonics. Fourth, earthing system and computer performance. In a three-phase and neutral system, when third harmonics and multiples are expected, the neutral conductor size should be the same size as the same phase conductor size. Computer hanging up, losing instructions, data or misbehaving can be such attribute to poor quality of power. Earthing of computer equipment should be independent and be fixed into the main earthing at one point, preferably at the entry point only. Multi-point earthing introduce coupling to various other equipments. Communication network. The induction coupling between the AC power transmission lines containing harmonics and the neighboring communication network causing high noise level. Capacitor. We know that Capacitors for power factor correction are always present in industrial installation and are worst affected if harmonics present. Capacitors do not generate harmonics, we know that, but provide network loop for the possible resonance. Capacitive reactance decreases with frequency, whereas inductive reactance increases directly with frequency. At the resonant frequency of any inductive capacitance LC circuit, the inductive capacitance will equal the capacitive reactance. In an actual electrical system utilizing power factor correction capacitor, both series and parallel resonance and a combination of the two can occur. In the case of series circuit, the total impedance at the resonant frequency reduces to only the resistive component of the system. Okay. The result may the flow of excessive amount of harmonic current and or appearance of excessive harmonic voltage. The occurrence may cause such problem as capacitor bank failure, excessive capacitor fuse operation and dielectric breakdown of insulated cables. In most low voltage installation, the following guidelines may be possible. First, if the kVA of the harmonics generating load is less than 10% of the transformer kVA rating, can be installed without concern for the resonance. Second, if the kVA of the harmonics generating load is less than 30% of the kVA rating and the capacitor kVR is less than 20% of the transformer kVA rating. Capacitor can be installed without concern for the resonance. Third, if the kVA of the harmonic generating load is more than 30% of the transformer kVA rating, capacitor should be applied as filter. The above guidelines are applicable when transformers with 5 to 6% impedance are used and the system impedance is less than 1% at the transformer base. 7 point switch mode power converter. Switch mode power converters come in two main types, single phase converter and three phase and six pulse converter. Single phase converter. Single phase converter use capacitive element instead of resistive element. This means that output voltage can remain stable for a large variety of input voltage and current. This makes them ideal for a silicon chip device like computer as long as the capacitor is at full charge. The device won't draw current, meaning that there are periods of time where no current is flowing to your computer. This gives it a very high third harmonics component which essentially act as a very high neutral current. So if you have recently added a lot of computer to your power system and are experiencing high neutral current, this may be the cause. The third harmonics can be as high as 81% of the value of the main current. Three phase, six phase converter. Three phase converter are used extensively in variable speed drive and constant voltage rectifiers. Similar to the single phase converter, these have high 6, 9, etc. harmonics current. In addition, they also have smaller harmonic current for 5th, 7th, 11th, 13th, etc. harmonics. If not properly grounded, the 6th harmonics can produce a current through the bearing of a DC or AC machine. Resonance. Resonance happens when the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance of your system are equal at a certain frequency. This becomes a problem if the reactance of your system is resonant at the same frequency as a harmonics. In North America, that means multiple of 60 Hz or 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, etc. There are two types of resonance, parallel and series. Parallel resonance. In parallel resonance occurs when the inductive and capacitive element are in parallel and are equal at some frequency. If a harmonics share this frequency, then the resonant circuit will be excited and cause a large amount of current to oscillate between the inductive element and the capacitive element. This can cause excessive voltage distortion. In a series resonance occurs when the inductive and capacitive element are in series and are equal at some frequency. If a harmonics share this frequency, the series resonant will draw all amount of harmonic current, resulting in elevated current magnitude across the circuit, as well as high voltage distortion between the inductive and capacitive element of the circuit. Thank you.